The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Atoka County in southeastern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lane, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lane, Darwin and southeastern McGee Creek Lake. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.